The Kuwaiti-based humanitarian organization Direct Aid launches its annual Quranic competition on Sunday at its head office in Brufut. More than $600,000 in cash prizes were awarded to 9 winners. Named after the organization's founder, the late Dr. Abdurahman al-Sumeit, the competition was divided into 3 categories: full memorization, half, and a quarter of the Holy Quran. Organizers highlighted that more than 50 students from various Quranic memorization centers across the country were drawn to partake in this year's event. In the full Quran category, Muhammad Ali Hamid Jallo from Madrasa Ta'awun clinches first place, taking home the highest prize of $150,000. The second and third place winners in this category received $75,000 and $50,000 respectively. Meanwhile, winners in the half and quarter Quran categories walked away with cash prizes ranging from $100,000 down to a minimum of $25,000. Reflecting on his victory, Muhammad Ali Jallo expressed profound appreciation to his parents and teachers for their guidance, noting that this was his very first time partaking in such a competition. Direct Aid officials underscored the importance of the initiative in promoting the learning and understanding of the Holy Book among children.
And we want to thank all the winners and also encourage all those who participated but could not make it to the highest positions, that next year, inshallah, they should read and program themselves better, so that they can also go home with, probably next year they can go home with 200,000. They never know. Direct Aid has been doing this program since inception, which is from 1987. This organization was founded in the Gambia in 1987, and since then we've been doing this program as an annual program. And we are not only doing this, we are also into a host of other programs, which include education, healthcare, relief, scholarship, Hajj, supporting people going to Hajj.
Echoing these sentiments, Demba Jallo, a representative of the Supreme Islamic Council alongside competition judges and other dignitaries, hailed all the participants as winners. They cited the immense spiritual rewards the Almighty attaches to reading, listening to, and understanding the Holy Quran. The guests also offered prayers for the founder, Dr. Al-Sumeit, whose humanitarian legacy continues to impact lives across the globe, particularly in Africa. This competition marks the latest initiative by Direct Aid, bringing smiles to the faces of young scholars as part of the organization's ongoing mission to uplift communities and improve livelihoods. Khadijatu Jallo reporting.